Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
What Juicy say?
Real,
Like,
real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Real ass bitch. Real ass bitch.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your why is it so zoomed in? Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl INSTA and I'm back with another video. Now today I just want to say thank you to Nadula Hair Amazon for sponsoring this video. All right, so if you do not know, Nadula Hair is a hair vendor who they have a shop on Amazon.com, and they sell hair. And yeah, part one I showed you how I styled this hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, it's something different. I don't usually do hair tutorials on my channel, but you know, we gonna see. Today I'm doing a hair tutorial. Shout out to Nadula Hair, the Amazon store, for sponsoring this hair. And yeah, so today what you're gonna need is a wand, whichever size you want, the Garnier Fruity Sleek and Shine Olive Oil Grapeseed Heat Protectant, because we're not trying to burn this hair, okay? Boom. You're also gonna need a clip. You can have one, two, it don't matter. I'm also using these clips. Funny enough, I might not use any of these, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. And all right, so boom. So number one, you're going to split your hair in two. Ta-da! Okay, so now the second half, well, one of the halves, you're going to use your clip to hold it because you don't want it in their way, in your way. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the back because I can't see it, and it's just easier to work your way from the back to the front, right? I'm gonna apply some Sleek and Shine serum. Just gonna, so you don't use too much because you don't want your hair looking greasy, because that's not cute. No. So you're gonna have your palm English. You're gonna press down. You're gonna pump it one time because you don't want too much. Now you're gonna rub your hands together and you're gonna rub it through your hair. Okay. So what I like to do is, like, I use my finger and I just part like a little section like so. Wait, hold on, let's do that again. So I just grab a little section with my finger and I part it just like that. So that's gonna be the first strands that we're gonna curl. So after taking it, the goal is to curl away from the face. So how I like to hold my wand, I hold it like this. I place it on the hair and then I twist around. I'm nervous. I don't want to burn myself. Woo! Okay. So after you twisted it, you point the wand. You point the wand downwards. Okay. And you hold it for about 20 seconds, depending on how hot your wand gets. Once you let go, you squeeze it together. Ooh. Okay, so hello. Once you let go, you hold it and you squeeze it together in your hand. This way Your finger temperature helps it hold the curls tighter together, and it cools it down, so it solidifies your curls. You heard that? Turn yourself, and then you let it go. Honey, honey, honey. Listen, this is just what we do, okay? Can you be like deep wave, honey? Period. We're gonna part the hair again. Not too big, not too small. I forgot this step in the other curl, but it's okay. At least we remembered it now. I'm gonna take my heat protectant spray, and I'm gonna spray it from a distance. All right, so once again, I lay it flat on the hair, on top of the hair, and I twist and curl. Twist. Ouch. All right. You twist. It sometimes helps when you twist the wand, like you use your hand to make the twisting easier. So yeah, you twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn, twist, 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 and don't forget to point the wand downwards. So what I'm wearing right now is the Brazilian full lace wig. It is 150 density, and it is 20 inches. So this 20 inches is about $150 plus tax and everything. Okay, so I'm usually used to like receiving hair or wigs in like boxes, but you know, I guess they're trying to preserve the world, you know, and preserve the planet and save, you know, boxes. So the wig came in this, just like this, and it says Nadula hair. You know, the regular per usual. They give you the Chinese eyelashes. Yeah. They also give you a black wig cap. Ta-da! Okay, so now let's get into this hair because I gotta talk. When I first received it in that package that we just saw, you know, you gotta co-wash the hair because first of all, you don't know where this hair is coming from. You don't know whose it was before. You don't know if it's real. You just don't know. So you just have to make sure that you clean it. Prior to washing the hair, when I took the hair out, the hair has a scent. No lie. The hair is very silky, I'll tell you that. Like, that's one really good thing that I like about this hair, because I dyed the hair jet black, and while I was co-washing it, when I dyed it, even after dyeing it, the hair remained silky. Like, it wasn't no problems, there was no shedding, no tangling when I washed the hair. Since I did Amazon Prime, it came in 2 days, so that's one good thing about this hair. Like, if you need something quick and easy, they do Prime. Yes, the hair is true to length, and so far, like, I can see the curls are doing not so bad, because usually, you know, straight hair, the curls tend to drop quickly. So, you know, we're doing pretty well on this side, and even while I was curling it, the curls were like, you know, they look really good. So hopefully they last. I pray they do, because you know, sometimes straight hair don't hold curls, and you can't blame the straight hair because their natural state is being straight. So if you want to know, if you want hair that holds curls, go for curly hair, like body wave or something. I haven't experienced any form of shedding or tangling. Let's try it out right now. Oh, getting stuck, but I didn't get nothing. So like I said, no shedding or tangling yet. In terms of pricing, $150 for 20 inches a wig. I would say it's good in terms of affordability. However, why I would say I would not buy it for $150, because this hair is not full. Like that's my con about this hair. This hair is not full at all. Like I curled this hair in legit 30 minutes or less. Why? Because it's not that much hair that needs to be curled, and when the hair is straight, like it's real straight, especially the top. Like it's not full like I want it to be. 20 inches, that's not so thick. So I mean, that's just my personal opinion. That was my only con with this hair. Like it's just, it could be fuller, especially if it's 150 density. This feels like 100 or 120% density. Yeah. Would I recommend this hair? In my opinion, I would not, because I've had better for better prices. Thank you so much for Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. I'm really appreciative. If you do want to purchase this hair, if you like how it looks, please, the link will be in the description. And yeah, yo, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget the big S honey.